LX250 automatic bandsaw. This bandsaw has been designed with a precision cut and ground worm gear transmission that is both durable and provides powerful torque output. It is suitable to cut any kind of material for metal shops, manufacturing suppliers, and machinery factories. A variable speed adjusting device controls the blade speed to match the type of material for high efficiency cutting. All casted parts are cast from durable cast iron FCD 45C with abrasion-resistant heat-treated steel plates to fortify the vice's working surfaces. The workpiece sensor device controls the saw bow descent quickly until the probe tip touches the workpiece. Then the saw bow will slow to the preset cutting speed rate above the workpiece. To change the cutoff length of the workpiece, just rotate the hand wheel until you have reached the desired length. Digital display is an option type. Then use the thumb screw to lock the hand wheel. The wheel-shaped chip brush is powered using transfer mechanism. Chips are forced out of the blade teeth, improving the cleaning and cutting efficiency. When changing to a new blade, use the blade clip to hold the blade and prevent it from slipping. The blade clip will spring away when the blade starts to rotate. The bearings and tungsten carbide blade guides device helps a lot for the cutting stability while the blade is running, and to prolong the use of the blade. Materials can be directed to clamp in the shuttle bench vise and fixed bench vise with a full-stroke hydraulic vise. The shuttle vices were designed with hydraulic cylinders on both sides to allow it to move and clamp easily and smoothly. A blade tension adjustment device used for mechanical or hydraulic system. The cutting speed and pressure of the saw bow can be selected according to the different materials. Please refer to the materials color chart as shown on the control panel. The hydraulic pressure gauge is an optional device. The control systems of the control box and main switch and cover safety switch all meet CE regulations. The machine uses a PLC electric-controlled system and can be programmed to make multiple actions during operation. Easily read simplified icons on the control panel designate operations for switches, lights, and counters. The cycle counter sets the number of cycle the machine will automatically perform. The system air indicator lights are located on the control panel. For example, if lights 2 and 3 are on, then there is no material in the shuttle vise during operation. If lights 1 and 2 are on, then the saw bow is unable to descend, the workpiece doesn't clamp sturdily. The limit switches on the machine are to check the actual positions of every part's motion. The probes switch to check the material for cutting speed. This is a saw bow height limit switch, and the saw bow downfeed limit switch for limiting the saw bow stroke. The forward limit switch and backward limit switch of the shuttle vise limit the feed stroke of the shuttle vise and can be set to your requirements. On the saw bow, there is a blade tension adjustment device and broken blade power shutoff sensor to protect the machine. For your safety, the operator should obey the warning labels and keep hands and other body parts away from a running blade. For automatic cutting cycle, press the start button. The saw bow will go down quickly until the probe touches the workpiece. The saw bow will slow to the preset down feed rate to cut the workpiece. After cutting, the saw bow will raise to about 30 millimeters above the workpiece. The shuttle vise will feed the material for the next cut. As with the automatic cutting cycle, materials bundled are vise clamped as well as vertically pressed by the nestling clamp to help secure the work pieces. This is efficient for cutting many small, equal-sized pieces. The chip auger automatically starts during the cutting cycle. The chip auger conveys chips to the chip cart. It is also equipped with an anti-jamming device to prevent hydraulic motor from breakdown. A water gun can be used manually to clean chips and debris from the surface of the machine and the blade compartment. A 2-meter roller stand can be used for cutting 6-meter material. LX400 automatic bandsaw. This bandsaw has been designed with a precision worm gear transmission. All cast parts are cast from cast iron FCD 45C and with abrasion-resistant heat-treated steel plates. The one-piece blade safety cover with an auxiliary pneumatic strut is secure and easy to operate. Materials can be directed to clamp in the shuttle vise and bench vise with full-stroke hydraulic vices. So this is a durable and high-efficiency cutting machine.